Hello and welcome to Zootastic. I'm Mark and I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on another journey into the fascinating world of our amazing animal residents today. And today we're mentally traveling deep into the rainforests of Madagascar, or rather, we're visiting one of its most striking and vocal inhabitants right here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany. Hold on tight, it's going to be loud, it's going to be fluffy, and definitely a master of the canopy. We are talking about the black and white ruffed lemur. With its magnificent black and white fur and its powerful calls, it's a true spectacle and a vital part of Madagascar's unique biodiversity. But what exactly makes this lemur so unique and its life in the trees so special? Let's take a closer look. The black and white ruffed lemur is a truly impressive primate. It's one of the largest lemurs with a body length of about 50 to 55 centimeters, that's 20 to 22 inches, and a tail that's even longer, reaching up to 60 centimeters or 24 inches. Its most striking feature is its thick, shaggy coat in a bold pattern of black and white. The face is typically black, framed by a prominent white ruff around its ears, giving it its ruffed name. The tail is usually entirely black and there's a white patch on the nape of its neck. These patterns are unique to each individual. And this striking coloration isn't just for show, it also helps them camouflage in the dappled light of the rainforest canopy. Isn't it ingenious how nature creates such magnificent and distinctive patterns? These fascinating primates are endemic to the eastern rainforests of Madagascar. They prefer moist, lowland primary rainforests where they spend almost their entire lives high up in the trees. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and they spend their time foraging for food and resting in the canopy. They are perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle with strong limbs for leaping and gripping branches. Imagine them gracefully moving through the treetops, an unforgettable sight that reflects the vibrant life of Madagascar's rainforests. But how do these vocal animals actually live together, and what makes their way of life so special? And this is one of the most fascinating characteristics of the black and white ruffed lemur. They are highly social animals, living in small, fluid groups of usually 2 to 5 individuals, though larger aggregation can occur. They are known for their incredibly loud and distinctive vocalizations, which are among the loudest of any primate. Their calls, a series of roars, howls and squawks, can be heard for kilometers through the dense forest. And I can tell you, even in the zoo, you can hear them far away, but it's the most fun it is from all the time I spend there. When there's nobody in the ape house, then they often suddenly get loud, just like they want to say, "Oh, why is no visitor here? It's boring, so come on in." But these calls serve many purposes: to announce their presence, warn of predators, communicate with other groups, and maintain social cohesion. Unlike many other lemurs, they are also known for building nests out of leaves and twigs high in the trees, where the females give birth to their young. And this is quite unusual for primates. A truly super interesting fact about the black and white ruffed lemur is its unique reproductive strategy. Unlike most primates who typically give birth to one offspring at a time, ruffed lemurs often have litters of 2 to 3 and sometimes even 4 to 5 offspring. This is a very rare trait among primates. The mothers don't carry their babies on their bodies all the time. Instead, they place them in these specially constructed nests, returning to nurse them. And this parking strategy, combined with their large litter size, is thought to be an adaptation to their high-energy fruit diet and helps ensure that at least some offspring survive in a challenging environment. It's fascinating how a lemur can combine elements of both bird and mammal parenting. But what do these primates actually eat? The black and white ruffed lemur is primarily a frugivore, meaning its diet largely consists of fruit. They are crucial seed dispensers in their rainforest ecosystem, playing a vital role in forest regeneration. They also eat leaves, flowers and nectar, especially when fruit is scarce. Their long snouts and tongues are well suited for reaching into flowers for nectar and picking fruit. At the Allwetter Zoo Muenster here in Germany, the black and white ruffed lemurs naturally receive a diet specifically tailored to their needs, consisting of a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and specialized primate pellets. This not only keeps them healthy, but also mimics their natural diet as closely as possible. And they are truly vital for the health of their rainforest environment. Unfortunately, the black and white ruffed lemur is critically endangered, and that's why it's classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, that's the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The main threats are massive habitat loss due to deforestation for slash-and-burn agriculture, logging and charcoal production, as well as hunting for bushmeat. Their fragmented populations are highly vulnerable to even small disturbances. The preservation of their unique rainforest habitat is absolutely crucial for their survival, and zoological gardens like the Allwetterzoo Muenster play a vital role in the conservation of these magnificent animals. They participate in international breeding programs for black and white ruffed lemurs to maintain a healthy and genetically diverse assurance population. In the zoo, you can observe these impressive primates in a spacious, naturalistic enclosure that provides plenty of climbing structures and lush vegetation outside. And they also have a very comfy one inside, you see both in the video. And just spend some time in front of their habitat. Listen to their calls, watch them gracefully move through the branches, or observe their social interactions. It's incredibly exciting and fascinating at the same time to observe these active and vibrant animals. And that's already it for today on Zootastic from the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany, and I hope you enjoyed this little dive into the life of the black and white ruffed lemur. And I'm always fascinated when I go and watch them. And I look forward to welcoming you again next time, so see you soon and stay animalistically curious.